Dan Sweet, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Here is an example of our titanium truck packages. Just to give you an idea how compact they are. Here's my Dodge Ram 3500 dually, and it's nearly the same length. So our diamond truck, which is right behind it, is actually about 2 feet long, about probably 2 or 3 feet, because the cab's a little bigger too. So maneuverability on the cab overs. We do everything from Hino 195s, NRRs, Chevy 5500s, F550s, you name it when it comes down to that. For the titanium packages on the 2 trucks in the front, the truck behind it, we need an FTR 25,500 pound rated truck, and or a Mack CV series in order to be able to carry that properly.